Children, now we are going to discussion social studies 9th class our earth. We are living on the earth's surface along with the animals, planets, microorganisms. Earth is a better place to live. It is suitable to human habitation and biosphere. Our earth is one of the planet among the 8 planets. Earth is the storehouse of the all resources like water, trees, minerals, forest, animals, human beings, etc. But recklessly exploitation of resources by the man. This one leads to the environmental crisis. Look at the yellow circle. Carl Sagan said that the total human history has happened inside of yellow circle. That is our home. That means our planet. This photo taken from the space. It is also known as Spale blue dot. Initially, people thought that Earth was center in the solar system and sun and planets revolve around the Earth. It is a wrong concept. According to new concept, Earth is not a center in the solar system. Sun in the center in the solar system. Earth and the remaining planets revolving around the sun. A large group of stars are called galaxies. There are millions of galaxies we can see in our universe. The birth of universe took place 13.7 billion years ago with a Big Bang theory. Big Bang theory tells about the origin of universe. Today, human beings are investigating sending satellites and spaceships. Our country also launched so many satellites and PSLV, GSLV, mainly Mangalyaan and Chandrayaan. The Mangalyaan sent to the Mars to research surface of the Mars. Chandrayaan also launched by our country by the ISRO. The Earth rotates on its own axis and goes around the Sun. This is called orbit, Earth's orbit. It is not a circle. Look at the picture, A picture and B picture, C picture. C picture is elliptical shape. A picture is a circular path. C is the correct path of the Earth's orbit. The length of the Earth's orbit 940 million kilometers. Sometimes Earth close to the Sun, sometimes farthest to the Earth. The average distance between the Sun and Earth 149.7 million kilometers. So farthest point of the Sun and Earth, the distance between the Sun and Earth 152 million square kilometers. The closest position 147 million kilometers. The Earth travels around the Sun at the speed of 107,200 kilometers per hour. At this speed, it takes 365 1 by 4th day. That means 365 days, 6 hours. The word Earth derived from the Greek word eartho, meaning ground, soil, dry land. In Indian language, have multiple words for the earth. In Sanskrit terms include Bhumi, Prithvi, Dharani, Avani. Most of the scientists are believed Earth began to form around 4.5 billion years ago. It began as a ball of swirling dust and clouds and passed through a molten stage. At the time, the Earth was very hot and was constantly bombarded by massive rocks and other materials from the space. Slowly, an upper part of the crust of lighter and cooler materials form a covering the molten interior. As the Earth's interior continued to cool, it contracted and the outer crust wrinkled, forming ridges became mountains and low areas which became oceans on the Earth's surface. Now we are going to discussion about internal structure of the Earth. Earth is the 5th biggest planet in solar system. It is very difficult to know the Earth's interior, even though some of the scientists also investigated analysis of data of the Earth's interior. Actually, the distance between from the surface to Earth center 6,000 kilometers. It is made up of 3 main layers: crust, mantle, core. The crust, we are living on the crust. The outer part of the Earth's surface is known as the crust. This layer goes up to the depth 3,200 kilometers. It mainly consists of various kinds of rocks. The thickness of the crust is just about the thickness of the shell of an egg. If you assume that the size of the earth is equal to the size of an egg, the crust is occupying only 1%. Next layer, mantle, it is 100 to 2900 kilometers in thickness. The upper part of the mantle is pliable layer over which the crust float. This consists mainly of chemicals called silicates. 16% of the Earth's surface. Next, we are going to discuss of the core. The core is 2900 to 6376 kilometers in thickness. It is composed of the dense and heavy substances like iron and nickel. It can be divided into again two sublayers. They are outer core, inner core. Outer core thickness 2900 kilometers to 5100 kilometers. It is a liquid metallic like nickel and iron. Next, inner core. This solid inner core. The thickness is 5100 kilometers to 6376 kilometers. The earth is made up of iron compound. It is heavily substance and heavy substance like gold. The remaining part we have to discuss in the next class.